Hello students and welcome to your channel. This is the MCQ of Making of the Global World part 4. I hope you have enjoyed the first 3 parts. If you have, please do like and share them with your friends. As I've told you, if you have read this chapter, this is an important chapter. It's part of the current syllabus for class 10th. अगर आप ये MCQ क्वेश्चन करेंगे, इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा. You can attempt those MCQs to get to know how much you know about this chapter also. So let's begin the part 4. Who was the first people, or who were the first people to link the world in ancient times? Priests, pilgrims, travelers and traders, or all of the above? So very easy. ये सारे ही लोग ऐसे थे जो ancient times में लोगों को link करते थे. Give the correct reason for decline of household income in Europe after the First World War. Death and injuries had reduced the number of able-bodied workforce. Home governments had imposed heavier taxes. People could not go to work because they got busy with reorganization of their households, or people stopped going to work as they were scared of the war situation. Students, इसका क्वेश्चन है करेक्ट रीज़न क्या है जो घर की जो हाउस होल्ड इनकम है वो डिक्लाइन हो गई थी फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद, और इसका आंसर है जो वर्ल्ड वॉर के कारण डेथ और इंजरीज हुई थी उससे जो काम करने वाले लोग थे वो रिड्यूस हो गए थे. सो डेथ एंड इंजरीज हैड रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ एबल बॉडीड वर्क फोर्स. Thousands of people fled Europe for America in the 19th century due to outbreak of plague, natural calamity, poverty and widespread deadly diseases, or outbreak of a war among nations. तो स्टूडेंट्स, यूरोप से अमेरिका बहुत लोग माइग्रेट करके थे, भाग गए थे 19th सेंचुरी में बिकॉज ऑफ पावर्टी एंड वाइड स्प्रेड डेडली डिजीजेस. In Africa, in the 1890s, which disease had a terrifying impact on people's livelihoods and the local economy? Cattle plague, also known as rinderpest, hay fever, plague, or smallpox. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आपने अगर ये चैप्टर पढ़ा है तो बड़ा इजी है. इट वॉज कैटल प्लेग, ऑल्सो नोन एज रिंडर पेस्ट. ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है रिंडर पेस्ट. ये कई जगह आपके पास क्वेश्चन में या एमसीक्यू में आ सकता है. हु वर द एक्सेस पावर्स इन वर्ल्ड वॉर टू? जर्मनी, इटली, ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी. जर्मनी, इटली, ऑटोमन टर्की. जर्मनी, ऑस्ट्रिया, हंगरी, इटली, और नाजी जर्मनी, जापान एंड इटली. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले पिछले एमसीक्यू में बताया था, ये स्पेसिफिक वर्ड एक्सिस पावर्स और एलाइज पावर, सेंट्रल पावर, बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स हैं इस चैप्टर के. ये बहुत बार एमसीक्यू में आते हैं, इसलिए मैं बार बार रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. इसका आंसर है नाजी जर्मनी, जापान एंड इटली. यूरोप्स पुअर began to eat better and live longer with the introduction of the humble rice, potato, maize or soya. Interesting question and answer. इसका आंसर है humble potato. The foods introduced in Europe after the discovery of the America: tomatoes, chilies and sweet potatoes, groundnuts and maize, potatoes and soya, or all of the above. And students, इसका आंसर है सारी की सारी चीज़ें यूरोप में इंट्रोड्यूस की थी आफ्टर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द अमेरिका. So all of the above. Which disease traveled from Europe to America and was responsible for mass deaths of the original inhabitants of America? Smallpox, plague, chickenpox, or hay fever? And students, answer for this is it was smallpox which traveled from Europe to America and was responsible for mass deaths of the original inhabitants of America. What is meant by the Silk Routes? Points to the importance of westbound Chinese silk cargoes traveling on the various routes. Import, export of silk, routes used in and out of Asia, or Asian routes which are used. Students, again very easy one. Silk routes are points to the importance of westbound Chinese silk cargoes traveling on the various routes. तो जो जिस रूट से सिल्क कार्गो, चाइनीज सिल्क कार्गो वेस्ट जाता था, उस पॉइंट्स की इंपॉर्टेंस को देखते हुए सिल्क रूट्स बनाया गया था. अमेरिका वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय हेनरी फोर्ड, सिसिल रोड्स, मार्को पोलो और क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस. Very easy one, everyone knows about it. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus? What methods did the Europeans use to recruit and retain labor in Africa? Heavy taxes were imposed, inheritance laws were changed to their disadvantage, and confinement in the compound. Inheritance laws were changed to their advantage, low taxes to win their minds over, or paid heavy wages. Students, again very easy one. यूरोपियंस ने जो लेबर था अफ्रीका में उसको रिटेन करने के लिए they applied heavy taxes, inheritance laws were changed to their disadvantage, and confinement on the compound. Developing countries demanded a new international economic order, which is also called as NIEO. ये आपके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में भी आ सकता है कि what is NIEO? What purpose did it solve? Options हैं fairer prices for raw materials, better exports, manufacture to consumption benefits, or for better human resource development, or real control over natural resources, more development assistance, fairer prices for raw materials, and better access for their manufactured goods in developed countries market. So students, जो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज थी उन्होंने NIEO ऑर्डर में जो अपना ऑर्डर पास आउट किया था उससे क्या था पर्पस? उसका यही पर्पस था रियल कंट्रोल ओवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, मोर डेवलपमेंट असिस्टेंस, fairer prices for raw materials, and better access. The geographical exploration in Africa was directly linked to search for scientific information, vast land with rich resources, imperial projects, or labor to work for plantations in America. और students इसका आंसर है the geographical exploration in Africa was directly linked to imperial projects. What technique did Henry Ford use for the mass production of cars? Assembly line technique, process manufacturing, made to order production, or batch manufacturing? Again a very easy one, हमने कई बार repeat किया है. It was assembly line technique. 10 lakh people died in Ireland between 1845 and 49 due to foreign invasion, potato famine, drought, or epidemic. So students, if you see the book, The Irish Potato Famine, hungry children digging for potatoes in a field that has already been harvested, hoping to discover some leftovers. During the Great Irish Potato Famine, that is 1845 to 49, around 10 lakh people died of starvation in Ireland and double the number emigrated in search of work. तो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे मतलब ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आपने पोटैटोज अपने निकाल लिए हैं, उसके बावजूद खोद के देख रहे हैं कि शायद कोई एक आधा आलू हमारे को मिल जाए. सो आंसर इज पोटैटो फैमिन. Which of the following did not take part in the First World War? Germany, Portugal, England, or France? Answer very easy, it's Portugal. What were the Corn Laws about in Britain in the late 18th century? Options हैं restriction made on the import of corn, duties on imported corn, more corn to be imported due to increase in population, or pushing up the prices of corn in the country. Students, जो corn laws था ब्रिटेन में जो 18th century में था उसका मेन जो था that was restriction which was made on the import of corn. So it was restricted. What is meant by making of the global world? बड़ा इजी ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे. आप देख रहे हो सबसे बड़ा वाला जो है यही राइट आंसर है. इट मीन्स इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ट्रेड, ऑफ माइग्रेशन, ऑफ पीपल इन सर्च ऑफ वर्क, द मूवमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल बिटवीन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, एंड पॉलिटिकल एंड सोशल इन्वॉल्वमेंट. मतलब ट्रेड के लिए माइग्रेशन लोगों का यहाँ से वहाँ हो सके, नौकरी के लिए हो सके, और जो पैसा है अलग अलग कंट्रीज में और पॉलिटिकल सोशल इन्वॉल्वमेंट के साथ हो सके. Where was the demand for labor more that led to more migration? Europe, America and Australia, Russia, or Africa? Students, very easy one. It was America and Australia. Which foods were introduced in Europe and Asia after Christopher Columbus discovered America? Wheat and rice, meats, seafood, or potatoes, soya, groundnuts, maize, tomatoes, chilies, sweet potatoes? Answer यही है. पोटैटो, सोया, ग्राउंडनट्स, मेज, ये सब किसी को पता ही नहीं था. यूरोप और एशिया में इट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस इन यूरोप एंड एशिया आफ्टर क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस डिस्कवर्ड अमेरिका. And students, this brings to the last question of the part 4 also. I hope आपको ये अच्छा लगा होगा वीडियो. अगर लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर करना. The last question is, what was the problem that the Europeans faced in Africa to carry out the work of plantations? Was it rinderpest, the disease, the lack of technology, or the shortage of water, or the shortage of labor willing to work for wages? और इसका आंसर है, the problem that Europeans faced in Africa to carry out the work of plantation was shortage of labor willing to work for wages. Thank you बच्चों for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exams and life. Thank you.